Good morning. But I don't normally do surveys after putting in an application or anything. Pretty birds talking. It's after 4 in the morning. Indeed is probably the only one who's ever asked if I was gay. Pretty sure I am. For 65 years. And it just is interesting to me that they asked my orientation. They actually asked if I was non-binary. See, I don't understand. I have been told about it. I don't understand. It just seems simpler when we just said, we're gay, or there's Pretty Bird over there, or we're lesbians. I'm a girl, and I've always been a woman. I am a softfoot, so I have more dominating DNA that is male, but I am not a boy. I always found it annoying that Facebook seems to think that they can send us mails like Facebook is a dating site. It's 27 years old. It's 2 years older than the average, or then older than most budgie birds. Sounds pretty good, doesn't he? My adopted sister found him in the dumpster in Colorado and behind a Petco. They throw out animals they don't think will sell. There's nothing wrong with him. He has one foot that it doesn't work right, and the claw is sort of bent up. Hey, Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird, you want to say hi? Want to say hi? He says I'm not showing off for no reason at all. He lives in my TV room with Daphne. Say hi, Daphne. Daphne. I thought she loved the kitty crunchies I got today. And Friskies. But according to the little pile of diarrhea on the other side of me, I'm thinking not so much. Are you done? Yeah. People just used to say, well, we're bi. And that gave them leeway to date whoever they wanted. But now they can say they're non-binary, and there's a slot for them. Why the hell isn't there a slot for lesbians? I get guys sent to me all the time. And they're always in the service, in the lemon, Lennon? I don't know. One of those lemons over there. And they're all widowed and conveniently have children. Well, I spent the night crying, so not crying now. So I have to go feed the oldest kitties. You have a very nice night. And don't, this is June. This is Pride Month. Come out. Don't stay in the closet for 40 years. People hate you just as much out of the closet as they do in the closet. Only you can change the opinions of people. Unfortunately, not everybody will love you. I love everyone who comes in my vicinity. All cats and dogs, and I would never turn away a child. And if I had children, I would never push them away because they were gay or transgendered. Because I'm an empath, and I know that inside beats a good heart. But my eyes are tired. So I'm going to do what I have to do, and then this 65-year-old is going to sleep. Good night. Pretty wants to good night?